There's some mistakes that retail traders make. I mean, there's some obvious ones.
Let's talk about that, because I know that retail traders are trained a certain way to think about the markets, and it sounds like that's probably the wrong way to think
They
about it.
are. I mean, the way you make money buying anything, you buy at wholesale prices and sell at retail prices. That's what an institution does. That's what we do. But think about the average. Just let's go very broad. Think about the average investor around the world. What do? They buy stocks, right?
They buy high and sell low.
Yeah, I mean, they're conditioned from such a young age, and they don't even realize how strong the conditioning is. Make sure it's a good company with strong management and a healthy balance sheet and good earnings, and make sure the stock is in a nice, healthy uptrend. Well, when all those things are true, where do you think the price of the stock is? Wholesale levels or retail levels? It's almost always at or near retail prices. Retail's buying, institutions selling, and
So the retail market would say, though, that that's because we don't have the information that the institutions have. They have some secret sauce that they know about that we don't, and that's why they have that edge.
yeah, and that could not be further from the truth. What the big thing that people miss is what people don't realize, and this should be like their foundation. They don't realize that how they make money buying and selling anything in life is exactly how you make money buying and selling in the markets. In other words, once in a while at an event, we'll be talking about this, and I'll say, I can point out the best traders in the room right now, and I don't know any of you. And I'll say, how many people in the room actually cut out coupons or send in rebates for things?